hot jacuzzi, tapos itong view mo. Tara, mag-relax at mag-time travel here at 1898 Hotel Colonia in Las Filipinas. It's giving vintage Filipino-Spanish feels paired with all the comforts of a modern hotel. We booked through Agoda at 4,064 pesos, and upon check-in, they also require a 2,000 peso deposit na ibabalik din naman nila upon check-out. Kim and I just wanted to take a quick break pero ayaw na naming lumayo. Overall vibe ng rooms, ang linis, spacious, at parang bahay lang ni Lola. Ang cozy, perfect pang muni-muni. And of course, all your hotel essentials nandito. May mini fridge, coffee, TV, toiletries, lahat ng usual na hanap mo sa hotel. Pero panalo talaga ang amenities. May pool with a view, lots of lounge chairs to chill on, mag-gym kung gusto mong mag-workout, spa, jacuzzi, sauna para sa magustong magpa-relax. Pause nyo na lang for the rates. But for the best part, the breakfast buffet. Not your typical buffet. This one's very Filipino with a Spanish touch. Sobrang sarap at sulit talaga. Favorite ni Kim dito yung okra with bagoong. May bread and cereal station, egg station, kompleto talaga. And oh, may parking din sila. We really enjoyed our stay here. Try nyo na din. Where do you want to see us next? Comment down below. This has been Kim and Rex. Bye!